today we are going to be installing some handrails right here in the shower. My aunt has recently had knee and hip surgery, and she just fell like 2 weeks ago and split her seam open on her knee.
Yep.
So she's been in rehab and in our inpatient care for the last 2 weeks. So we're going to install some handrails for her in this bathroom. This is the main one she uses. So right now we're going to start by taking this off, and we're going to install a handrail right there, and we'll go from there.
There's another bathroom with a bathtub, also with a shower inside the bathtub, but she can't get inside of it.
She can't get inside of it, yeah. We might have to make it accessible for her, but she's set in her way, so I doubt she will use it.
Yes.
I'm relocating this toilet paper hanger holder because one, my grandfather, who is 100 years old, when he comes here, he uses it as a handhold, and it has held. Luckily, I installed it like 10 years ago, maybe over 10 years ago. So it's going to stop him from using it, and we're going to have a secure rail here for him to use, and my aunt. Yeah, we're going to put some rails in the bathroom too.
Yes. I can be in here. I can be in here. My dad, I'm basically my dad's helper. If your kid's not trained and you need a trainer. So. I like doing this. That's why I help him.
Well, I like you helping me, buddy. For sure.
I watch a lot of YouTube and stuff. When I watch it, but I just absorb the good stuff. That's what my dad said.
Got some filler so I can fill these holes in. Save these for maybe another project. All right. I don't feel comfortable mounting something to this since it's thinner. So I think I'm going to mount it on this stud, and you still have plenty of grip, and then that'll let me install it before I fill that in. So yeah, let's do that. This is going to go, so we know we're going to put a screw here because we got a stud. Yeah, I'll have access to patch that with this and stuff, but that's what I wanted. All right. Yes.
Can you use a knife to sharpen this?
Doesn't Sharon have a pencil sharpener?
But it's not big enough.
Oh, okay. Here, yeah.
It says legal. He's not.
It's not illegal.
No, I said this is legal.
Oh, I don't think they're really worried about it as legal. It's illegal if you shank someone with this, but here. No, not me. It's video evidence.
I'm joking.
Oh, you're joking, huh? Everything snugged up. We'll re-level it, and then we'll put our stud bolts in. Nuts, screws in. There we go. All right, so that's level, so we can throw our screws in some studs, and we will tighten everything down. See how it looks. Ah, yes. All right. So let's put a patch on this and install the shower grab handles. So I want to do it away from the edges so I don't crack it too bad. So let's go right here. I'll do this one first, drill it, see if it works. And if it does, then I'll level it and do the rest. Just levelness on that. Just gotta put pressure on that screw. There we go. We don't want to get them too tight because we don't want to crack the tile. All right, we got levelness. It's level. I don't think levelness is a word. Feels pretty snug. Let's clean this off a little bit. Snap this back on. All right, so we got this installed. It is snug. I think if she needs to pull herself up on it, it'll work. We probably will install another one right here, but that will probably be a later video. Completed, cleaned up.